Welcome to part 2 of our asset intelligence videos. Today we're going to focus on the Senseye predictive maintenance platform, where we tried to introduce predictive maintenance to their business. So let's go out on site and see some of the places where we've been able to utilize this platform.
Through regular weekly engagement with reliability engineers and electrical technical officers, we identify their specific needs and apply predictive tools like Senseye to deliver targeted, data-driven solutions.
Senseye is a software platform that we use to facilitate our predictive maintenance program. Our program was initially rolled out at the Spring Hill plant in Port Kembla at the metal coating lines. It went for around 12 months where we established everything from where we collect data from, how we transmit data to our predictive maintenance tool, and then the initial configuration of the tool on the 200 or so assets that we targeted to start with. Senseye can be deployed on any machine or process where monitoring data tells us something about the health of that plant or process. Today we're here at the plate mill. That was the second place that Senseye was deployed in Port Kembla, and the lead for that program has been Johan.
About 2 years ago, we're lucky enough to start implementing Senseye preventive condition monitoring at the plate mill. We're very fortunate to be the first area in hot mills to get this rolled out. Working together with Chris, we've been able to come up with a couple of good creative ideas on how to monitor some of our less critical equipment. Examples of these were just as simple as monitoring tank levels for our lubrication oils. And in doing such, we've seen a 40% reduction in oil usage just because of early detection of leaks, which would previously go unnoticed for quite some time. Another very creative way we've decided to implement it, and where Senseye has helped us greatly, was with the detection of leaks on seals and pipework on our mill water hydraulics. It's a very old system, there's not a lot of smarts in it. So being able to use things like accumulator charge times, checking how many times the pump starts up every hour to charge an accumulator, we've been able to chase down any leaks before it gets any worse. Another thing that's been really beneficial for us is the Aveva Pi interface, where we've been able to use the simple thing of text messages. If something's not quite right or a threshold gets breached, we can get a text message sent to our shift trades or shift team leader to investigate this as soon as possible. What this has enabled us to do is set up 5 vision pages to monitor spindle bearing temperatures, which is very critical to us. This has helped greatly in RCAs on bearing problems we've had in the past, and got us to change the way we operate and make sure that our equipment runs a lot better. It's definitely helped us greatly. Excited of what else it can bring to us in the future.